Hi, this is ITR Tech Support with another video tutorial for you, and this is how to share in a meeting, attend and share in a meeting. Hopefully you've already watched the attend video meeting tutorial. So we go to video meetings and we go to the meeting that we want. I'm going to select one, a dummy meeting, so I'll select one that's later on today, so that I can actually talk, because otherwise you're going to hear the meeting going on and anonymity issues and things like that. So we're in our room, the meeting's going on, we click turn cam on. Now when we first do this in Google Chrome, a pop-up will turn up around here, up on the upper left hand side, asking you to allow or deny on the camera and microphone. You have to allow it. Once you've allowed it, your picture will appear. And when your picture has appeared, you can request to share. You go up into the request to share box and basically wait there until you notice this number up here. That's the number in the queue that you are. So if there's like 3 before me and I'm number 4, the chairperson now controls when I come into the big main video window here. After I've finished sharing, the video chairperson will put me back into the request to share box and I cancel request, and I can stay in the audience for the rest of the meeting. And that's how we attend a meeting. Thank you.